St. Joseph's College has been upgraded into a university, and it's the first of its kind in this country.
The Karnataka government has formally conferred the status of university on St. Joseph's College in Bengaluru. Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan was launched by the Ministry of Education in 2013 to create new universities by upgrading autonomous colleges and converting colleges into a cluster. On February 23, 2021, Karnataka passed the St. Joseph's University Bill. The new varsity will function under the PPP model, said D. Kiran Jeevan, the varsity's PRO, in a statement. St. Joseph's College was established in 1882 and is managed by the Karnataka province of the Society of Jesus.
The purpose is that the public should know that it is one of the best colleges, and it has got a recognition from the central government, upgrading it to an ordinary college into a university, which is of the higher level, and it is because of the quality of the education that is imparted, the grades that we have got in various accreditations, that has made it possible to consider it as one of the best colleges and to upgrade it into a university.
Sir, do you think, Father, was it late to get this thing? Because
it took a lot of time. The process started in the year 2013, and it was the RUSA scheme began in that year. 2018 we were selected for this purpose, and from 2018 to 2022 it took about 4 years to make it into a university. We want to make this university into a university with difference, with important courses, important areas in which we can contribute to the nation, and also to the individuals who they can come up and give their best in every manner. And therefore that is our idea.
Father, in terms of education curriculum, are you planning to change some sort of thing because the practical things requires a lot of things?
Sure, yes. The new NAP also is in place now, and one of the important factors of NAP is the skill development. Along with the skill development, we also require intellectual inputs, and the certain emerging areas are there, like computers and data and analytics. So some of those will be considered as very important, and they will be done in this university.